If you're a girl in your 20s, you know how tough it can feel navigating life right now. Social media makes it seem like everybody has their life together by 20. The perfect career, perfect relationships, perfect style, and perfect mindset. Nobody really shows the real raw and uncut. Because let me tell you something, that's not even real life. Life in your 20s is messy, confusing, and full of growth. It's the perfect time to explore, make mistakes, and figure things out at your own pace. And guess what? That's exactly how it's supposed to be. And that's why I wanted to start this series, Navigating Life in My 20s. I want to be relatable, show the highs, the lows, and everything in between. Because you're not alone. Together we'll embrace the journey without the filters and the pressure to have it all figured out. Now let's jump into this video. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl DIARIES. Today I'm back with another video. This is like a fall kind of like series right now, but Lauren's outside. We're about to go to Chick-fil-A. We're about to eat. This is my first time eating today, and it's currently 5:42. But let me go ahead and go outside because she's waiting on me. My hair feel dry as f. I need to put some oil in it. It's looking a little dry. Need to get that bounce back because I had put some gel in it. You know, like sometimes if you put too much gel, it just get that crunch, and I hate to see that, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, TBH, I feel like I'm all over the place. Wait. I literally do this every morning. It low-key tastes like apple juice. I'm done. No, this is cool. Keezy did my hair, guys. I got 2 double braided ponytails down to the eye. But yeah, y'all, we're about to go take pictures. Well, I'm about to go take Keezy's pictures.
No, you're gonna take pictures too. Yeah.
I don't know. We'll see if I can find an outfit. Wait, should I go to Chick-fil-A or what?
You swear we never go back to clothes, BD.
I don't. Like, you think I'm playing.
You sell something weekly on Instagram.
Oh. But like, no. Some shit like I could really post up in, but
Bro.
Wait, no, seriously though, should I get Chick-fil-A? Because if I go and the line's long, I'm gonna be pissed.
It hasn't worked out yet, no.
Oh yeah, true. Ew. Oh, and I can be skinny in my pictures. Bet I'm going after. I'm going after. Hey y'all, I'm back home. Me and Keezy, we're gonna go take pictures. I think I'm just gonna do a video because I have to do promo. I'm a couple weeks behind, so I don't think I'm doing makeup or anything. So I really just have to let him put on my clothes. But I think I want to put some wallpaper up in my bathroom. But I only have 2 rolls left. So I don't know if it's going to be enough to like do that whole wall. But at least like, I at least need like the visible parts. You know what I'm saying? Because my bathroom is just boring. Like there's literally nothing in there. Like it just looks too bland. Like my old bathroom, it was bland too, but like I was in there all the time. I never go in my bathroom unless I have to take a shower or I'm using the bathroom. Like I literally, like my old bathroom, I used to just be in there for hours, like listening to music and stuff. I literally don't even like filming in there. Like I don't even want to like, no, it's too bland. Like, all right y'all, so this is the wallpaper. It's the same wallpaper that's in my room. And I'm gonna use this little tool. This junk split my thumb wide open the first time I used it. So I need to get like a paper towel or something so I don't hurt myself. But yeah, let's get started. So this is what we have so far. I think it's cute. Like, look how it looks when I record now. I like that. I like that a lot. I'm about to go take pictures now. But this is what we're working with so far, and I like it. I think it's doing what it needs to do, in my opinion, you know. But low-key, I want to change my light bulbs too. I don't know. I'm always doing something, but Yeah, me and Michaela are about to go take pictures. And yeah, well, she's taking pictures. I'm just making content, but. Okay, guys, so this is what I'm putting on today. This shirt from this brand called Rough Riches. Don't play. So watch me transform into a little boy. And then I have these red sweatpants. Got these from Shein. They got the little tie at the bottom. I genuinely hate the tie, I'm not gonna lie. It's cute, but for the simple fact of it always untying, people always stepping on the back of my shoes. It's like you can't even be mad, because I know my pants are gonna unravel, you know?
What a real man supposed to do. We play around and play around and got time to hang with my crew. You keeping me happy, you keep me deep. You gotta make me move my dirt.
Natalie 9. Unpopular opinion. I don't know if I'm just like growing up, but like I hate dressing like a little boy now. Like as like a real outfit. Like overall I love dressing like a boy, like comfortability over everything, but I don't know, like when it comes to like, I don't know, like the fit gotta eat. This fit is not eating, but we gotta do promo, so but I don't know. You know what? Hey vlog, you almost got kicked out of here. Oh my god. That ponytail is nasty as fuck. Wait. Oh wait. Wait. I like this picture.
Hot conversations,
Outrageous. I really hate right there.
you smile.
Hi chat. We're in another location. We're uptown Atlanta right now. It's like we're downtown Greensboro. I need to learn. Hopefully we get some good content. Gotta wash your back down this mother. Not like just like a boy today. Like that was not in the. You want to switch? Yeah. Actually, we definitely can. Let's stay for a while and play. Hey y'all, so we just finished taking pictures. Keezy's pictures came out cute. Girly. Okay, something new for the people.
Literally.
We're about to go to Chick-fil-A because baby ain't ate all day.
And she been talking about Chick-fil-A since she got her hair done.
Literally, so I need to lock in. And then when I go back home, I want to change my clothes. No, for real. But I need to finish my bathroom, y'all, as y'all could see.
Yeah, that's just how I rock, yeah, that's just how I roll. That's just how I rock and roll.
Hey y'all, so I'm back home and I finished my wall. That's what it looks like. It added just what it needed because it was just looking so very bland in here, but it looks way better. Looks way better. But I don't know, I type want to take a nap. I'm tired, like I don't know. I'm finna just listen to music and chill in my room, clean up a little bit, you know. I'm gonna be in here way more now. Like I just like stuff decorated and stuff. Like I don't like bland stuff. That's why like when I move, like I be over decorating my room, because like if it's not like decorated how I want, like I'm gonna be mad and I'm like not gonna be in it. So
You love me back to the post to say 2 round 2 5 7. You still bad. I do any kind of business. You still bad. I'm trying to ask you. I'm trying to ask you. I'm trying to ask you.
She was beautiful. Now
so BBS is on my brick. But hey y'all, so the TV is kind of loud, but I'm about to go to a basketball game. It's like 6:20. The game starts at 7, so and my friend's coming to get me.
Oh, that's good. Yeah.
Real soon, real soon.
Cool.
I'm trying to figure out what shoes I should wear. So the Balenci steppers, this is a classic. Or should I wear my sandals? This is what I have on. 2-piece set.
Brown skin, dark skin, wheat, nice brown.
This purse that I love. I literally thrifted this purse, y'all. I love it. Like real bad. I wear this every day, almost. But I'm leaning towards the sandals, y'all. I'm not gonna lie. Like the sandals are just, they just go better with, I don't know, like the sneaker just looks too like, I don't know, not my beat right now. Not my, but yeah, I'm leaning towards the sandals. So I'm probably gonna wear the sandals.
Yeah. Big mama, big mama,
Alright y'all, I finished for the day because I'm tired. My arm is super sore. I'm about to go to the gym for real, but I'm gonna show y'all what I did. I only drew a couple things. I didn't draw a lot.
Oh my God, must be stupid.
I forgot to talk. Hey y'all, so I just got out the shower. It's time to get ready for bed. Finally, because I'm actually super excited to go to bed. And mind you, it's only like 9:30. Like this time change, y'all. I was really tired at 6 o'clock, but I was just doing anything I could to stay up. And I was really gonna go to the gym, but I was really just like so tired. So I'm gonna go tomorrow, but yeah, get ready for bed with me.
Make her crazy. If I got you for my friend, you stupid, stupid. You must be stupid, stupid. Spend all your money again, you stupid. Inside, no need to bother me, okay? I wanna lay with you every night, and we never bone. Good out on the comb and shopping all your life, no reach. On my second life, I get kryptonite, okay? I just wish to.
Why is there bleach on my towel? Like what happened?
Whether you right or wrong, I done got beat in the court my life. Yeah. They complimenting my new Rolls Royce. I don't know how to make it right. I just hope you find another life. Won't pick you up if you ever fall, right?
Y'all, this is for real, like probably my favorite moisturizer for my face, because like when I wake up in the morning, like it feels like I just put on like Vaseline. Like it's just so like moisturizing. It feels really good.
Crazy.
Goddamn.
So many countries in my phone, sometimes I give them a call. Diabetes, used to make me shoot an insulin, even though I hate music. Every time she steaks, she want like a porn rock on gravity. Yeah, trying to find a booster who can marry me.